Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 10th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku, and it's a special one because it will be number 1500. Yes, 1500 Sudokus I have made so far are uploaded to YouTube. And why I'm uploading, it's maybe only for me. So I can look back what kind of Sudokus I have made in the 1.5 year. And I'm not looking for subscribers or a lot of viewers. It's just for a backup, and I like doing this and sharing it. I could also make this channel private, but who cares? You can look to or view these Sudokus, and maybe you can learn from me, and stimulate you to make more Sudokus. Anyway, less talking, no talking. Let's start with this one. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you have an indication of the difficulty level. The Two Stars Sudokus has always 26 printed numbers, but let me check if this is correct. We've here 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is equal to 15, 17, 20, 23, plus 3 is 26, correct. So let's get started. Look in this column for missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 1. We are missing the 5 and the 1 in this column. We see a 5 and a 1 in this big square. So no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. And let me see. We see here 5. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. The other 2 boxes left for this column should be the numbers 4 and the 6. And look, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now, how about the 3 in this column? 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. It's a pair, the 2 and the 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. How about yeah. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 4. we see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have a 4 in one of these two boxes in this row, a 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then. How about the number 3 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. In this row, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 8, 6, and 2. These 3 numbers in this big square, the 2 is missing, the 7 is missing. We see here 7, so no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. So the 2 and the 1 is missing now. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Then 2, 8, 6. Yeah. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in one of these 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then Then how about the number? These two numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. That means the other two numbers in this big square should be the 4 and the 6. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. How about the number 3 and 4, 5, 5. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 7, 8, 7 and 5. Alright. How about the number 1, 7, 5, 5, 1, 7. These two numbers are missing in this row, the third row for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so in the column between. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2 is missing. We see here 2, or there 2, so no 2 in this box. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then let me see, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so in the column between. The only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.